Welcome back to the Car Collective, where the road meets insight. Today we're taking a closer look at a name that's become a household standard in the SUV game, the Toyota RAV4. But this isn't just any RAV4. This is the redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4, smarter, more efficient, and more refined than ever before. Toyota didn't reinvent the RAV4, but they sharpened every angle of what already made it a bestseller. Right off the bat, you'll notice the design evolution. The 2026 RAV4 looks bolder, with a more angular front fascia, a wider stance, and new LED lighting signatures that give it a more premium feel. The grille has been reworked to blend better with the headlight housing, while the new wheel designs, especially on the hybrid and Prime models, add a touch of athleticism. Under the hood, Toyota is focusing even more on electrification. The base models still come with a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, but the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are where things get interesting. The 2026 hybrid model sees a small boost in power and better fuel efficiency, while the RAV4 Prime gets improved battery range, now delivering up to 50 miles on electric power alone, making it a stronger daily EV alternative. The ride quality is noticeably smoother thanks to suspension tweaks, and sound insulation has been improved for a quieter cabin experience. Steering feel has been refined too, giving you more confidence whether you're navigating tight city corners or cruising on the highway. Step inside, and the cabin takes a leap forward. Higher quality materials, new seat designs, and better ergonomics make everything feel more cohesive. Toyota's latest infotainment system is front and center, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen. On higher trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice controls that actually respond the first time. There's even a digital gauge cluster now, fully customizable and clear in all lighting conditions. Toyota hasn't skimped on safety either. The latest version of Toyota Safety Sense now includes predictive driver alerts, enhanced lane tracing, and a more refined adaptive cruise control system. Whether you're a solo commuter, a family of 5, or someone who just wants reliability wrapped in modern style, the 2026 RAV4 has you covered. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is about practicality, trust, and quiet innovation. And that's exactly what keeps people coming back to it year after year. If you're considering making the RAV4 your next ride, let us know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Car Collective, and stay tuned, because we've got more reviews coming your way every week.